Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Now Explained, where we dive into how artificial intelligence and cutting-edge technology are shaping our future. Today, we're exploring a fascinating development on the horizon. AI-powered smart glasses that don't just show you your notifications or snap a picture. These glasses are aiming to replace your smartphone, translate languages in real time, and even coach you on how to respond during conversations. It sounds futuristic, but the tech is already taking shape today. Let's break down how close we are to this becoming a reality. Imagine walking through a foreign city where every sign instantly appears in your native language. You stop to chat with a local, and as they speak, subtitles appear in your glasses. Even better, your glasses suggest what to say next. That's the promise of AI glasses. Your personal translator, assistant, and smart device all in one frame. Several foundational technologies already exist today, laying the groundwork for these AI glasses. Smart glasses like Google Glass Enterprise Edition 2 and Nreal Lite offer miniature displays and limited AR functionality. While currently geared toward enterprise or entertainment, they show that wearable computing is not only possible but practical. Real-time translation tech is also progressing. Google Translate and Microsoft's Azure Translator provide nearly instant voice and text translations. Research from MIT and Carnegie Mellon has improved latency and accuracy, making translation fluid and responsive enough for conversations. Natural language processing, especially through AI models like ChatGPT, is becoming more conversational and context-aware. This is the backbone for smart reply systems, capable of suggesting replies based on ongoing dialogue, something already integrated in email and messaging apps. Combining this with wearable tech could make AI-powered dialogue assistants a reality. Academic and industrial research is pushing the boundaries of wearable AI. At Stanford's Vision and Learning Lab, researchers have been exploring how eye tracking and gaze analysis can infer user intent during conversations. This technology could help AI glasses understand when you need help in a dialogue and offer suggestions at just the right moment. Columbia University is working on ultra-thin waveguide displays that can project high-resolution visuals on transparent lenses. These are key to keeping smart glasses sleek and comfortable while still providing rich visual data. MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Lab, CSAIL, has been optimizing large language models to run on local, low-power chips. That means more processing can be done directly on the glasses, improving speed and privacy without relying heavily on cloud servers. This vision isn't just theoretical. It's backed by billions in funding and some of the biggest names in tech. Meta has invested heavily through Reality Labs, aiming to integrate AR into everyday life via its Quest platform and future AR glasses. Apple is rumored to be working on Apple Glass, an AR-focused device expected to build on the technologies in the Vision Pro. Google continues to invest in AR, reviving efforts around its Google Glass platform and acquiring startups in the space. On the startup side, companies like Nreal, Magic Leap, and Mojo Vision have collectively raised hundreds of millions of dollars to develop smart display hardware and AR computing. Academic grants also play a role, with institutions like the U.S. National Science Foundation funding multi-million-dollar projects for wearable AI and natural language interfaces. Looking forward, we can expect AI glasses to evolve rapidly in three key areas. Full smartphone replacement. Instead of carrying a device in your pocket, your glasses could handle calls, messages, maps, and more, all projected onto your lenses. Real-time context-sensitive translation. Whether you're traveling or meeting someone from another culture, glasses will instantly translate speech and text, potentially even capturing tone and nuance. Conversational guidance. Think of it as a communication GPS. Your glasses could prompt you with things to say during meetings, negotiations, or casual chats, tailored to the situation and your goals. Picture your glasses as a miniaturized combination of Siri, Google Translate, and a smartphone screen right in front of your eyes. Instead of pulling out your phone to search or respond, you just glance, speak, or even think, thanks to AI anticipating your needs. It's like turning your vision into an interactive dashboard that guides you through both digital and real-world interactions. If this future excites you as much as it does us, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments. What feature would you use most in AI glasses? Instant translation, smart replies, or something else entirely? AI-powered glasses have the potential to revolutionize how we communicate, learn, and navigate our world. With billions in funding, world-class research, and accelerating consumer interest, this technology could soon be as common as smartphones are today. Stay tuned, because the future is getting clearer, right through our lenses. Thanks for watching Tech Now Explained. See you in the next video, where we break down more of the tech shaping tomorrow.